YNS Fellas, my name is Anna, consultant from Yamada Inspire Research Consulting. Welcome back to YNS in Minutes. On today's episode of YNS in Minutes, I'm eager to delve into a topic that has gained significant attention in media, the rise of local coffee shop business. Coffee is no longer just a commodity, right? But rather a spirit for many people, especially young people. Without coffee, life feels empty. Appreciation for coffee encourages these young people to create various new breakthroughs that stimulate the domestic coffee industry. According to the Statista page, the increase in domestic coffee consumption has contributed to the growth of cafes and other coffee shops that are driven by and targeting these young people. In 2022, cafes and bars in Indonesia will record sales value around 1.9 billion US dollars or around 30.2 trillion IDR. This market is estimated to still grow to 3.8 billion US dollars in 2026. Nowadays, coffee shop is not only the place to grab and get your drink. It turns out into a place or symbol of culture, especially for Gen Z instead. Young people are willing to spend 3 to 6% of their monthly income consume coffee because the commodity has become the part of their lifestyle. So, what the correlation between the youth and the rise of local coffee shop? Mulyono Susilo in his book entitled Coffee Industry Outlook 2021, Re-emerging Coffee Business in Indonesia, said that numbers of Instagrammable and contemporary coffee shops since the last 5 years is the result of change in coffee trends. In his book, he said that at present, most coffee enthusiasts are millennials, and many coffee shop owners are also millennials. Therefore, it's not surprising that millennials are also considered to have color even dominated coffee trend in Indonesia. Millennial children are also mentioned as driving the development of the fourth wave of coffee. In the same book, Mulyono states that the first wave was when coffee was packaged in cans weighing around 1 kilogram. Then it evolved into a sachet coffee or instant coffee. Consumers can quickly and easily brew their coffee. And second wave occurred because the taste of instant coffee was below their expectations. Coffee lovers began to pay attention to the quality of the coffee taste. Finally, instant coffee shifted into espresso. In this stage, the coffee shop begins to grow, even mushrooming. The profession of barista is also starting to notice that plays a significant role in educating customers as well as marketing their products. The third wave is a situation where customers want to know the story behind the coffee, starting from the hands of the plant, harvest, roast, and explore the unique character of coffee itself. This is the phase when customers appreciate coffee. Quoting from Statista, the fourth wave occurs when exposure to international consumption trends has prompted Indonesian youth to create their own locally flavored coffee. Local coffee shop has managed to push aside international brands. Local coffee shops are also able to compete with international brands. For example, Philosophy Coffee, Tuku, Anomaly, Journal Coffee, and many more, which are loved by many young people. Apart from providing a comfortable place to chat, the shops offer a variety of coffee menus including espresso, coffee latte, and brew coffee. So, the growth of coffee shop is directly proportional to emergence of several startup companies operating in this field. For example, Kopi Kenangan received funding of up to 333 million US dollars, which unique menus such as Coffee Memories of X and Friends Story of Two. This is an effort to attract customers, right? The mixtures of coffee with palm sugar is the trademark of this brand. Even though this business still remains promising, coffee business needs to emphasize their current conditions. It is increasingly apparent that business world is moving towards strengthening the ecosystem in each industry. No wonder why business owners love local coffee shop as highly motivated to innovate, transforming their space into comfortable places for hangout, working remotely, or simply enjoying the atmosphere. They also drive on into innovate their menus, offering diverse and trendy selections of food and beverages. Many local coffee shops also even feature live music events, which attract consumers, especially young people customers. So that's about today Wine and S in minutes. For me, this trend is very interesting trends nowadays. What do you guys think about this? Because I'm really excited about this trend because I think I have so many options to spend my holidays and weekend with my families and friends. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next episode of Wine and S in minutes. Bye.